Welcome to the mesmerizing world of art. For centuries, art has been a profound way to express the inexpressible, to capture the beauty, chaos, and emotions of the human experience. But today, we're diving into a fascinating evolution, the rise of digital art. Digital art is revolutionizing the way we create and consume visual content. Unlike traditional art forms that rely on physical materials like canvas and paint, digital art is created using technology. Think of tools like Adobe Photoshop, Procreate, and Blender. These platforms allow artists to manipulate pixels on a screen, creating vibrant, dynamic pieces that can be easily shared across the globe. One of the most exciting developments in digital art is the rise of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs use blockchain technology to authenticate and sell digital artworks, giving artists a new way to monetize their creations. This moment marked a significant turning point, showing that digital art has not only artistic but also substantial economic value. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the digital realm offers a boundless canvas for your imagination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.